Today we are going to make a beadable pin. I'm going to do jigsaw, a horror pin, because I love jigsaw. So first and foremost, you're going to take this is a plastic pin. I have 14mm abacus bead. I have two 10mm rhinestone spacers. And I want to say this is an 8mm rhinestone bead. And then of course your little jigsaw. First you're going to take your pin and unscrew the top. Put that aside. I'm going to start with my 14mm white abacus bead. I'm going to take a black spacer. And take my 8mm rhinestone bead. Sometimes you have to screw them on because the hole's just a little bit too small for these pins. I'm going to take my next spacer and then a little jigsaw and put that down on there. You're going to take your top. I usually put a little dab of glue down in this hole. I'm not going to do it now because I'm not keeping this pin together. This is just for the video. But put a little bit of glue down in here because sometimes these things here strip out and then it'll just pop off. So always glue them, and I always glue down at the bottom. I've already glued this one, so I didn't show you. But put your lid on and just twist it until it's tight. And then you have yourself a beautiful little pin. I hope that helped. Thank you.